Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at gold for the next day. We would want to know where gold will be moving for tomorrow, which is for the 8th of March. So those that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Do me a favor by subscribing, like, share, also make your comments. So we will be looking at what this gold. First, we'll start with the trend. I mean, if you are my Patreon subscriber, right, you would have seen how we predicted this movement. This was a massive movement, right? We actually aim to actually hit a profit of 1830, right? To those that are not yet my Patreon subscribers, I'm going to put a link to the in the comment section. Become one of our Patreon subscribers so you'll be able to get exclusive trade from us. So this is one of the trade we actually add. So to those that are not yet the subscriber, I'll put a link to this playlist so you can come out and watch this trade yourself. So this is the trade. We actually grabbed about 228 pips from gold. We actually took this trade yesterday, March 6th, and today we actually hit our profits. We take our profit and we even had grabbed more than what we actually predicted. We actually were aiming to catch for today. We actually caught more. So if in case you're interested in more analysis on my gold, all you just have to do is become my Patreon subscriber. Definitely, I'm going to give you a best trade. I'm going to give you a good trade on gold. That is a promise. So once you become my Patreon subscriber, you'll get it. If at the end of the month you don't get the value that I promise you, you can simply cancel your subscription. So with this gold I am seeing here, I feel gold will actually drop again to take out this liquidity, probably around a level of 1800. Then once gold can go, we were expecting a correction. So after that correction, then I'm going to give you an update. Maybe whether gold will continue to go bullish or we drop. So I'm going to give an update, by the way. Either gold will continue to go the bullish move or it will continue to drop. That is, if you are my Patreon subscriber, I'm definitely going to give you an update. So if you are not yet, become one of my Patreon subscriber in the link. But one thing that I'm watching out for is this gold. I think it dropped a little bit of a drop, then a correction. Because we are expecting a major news tomorrow, as you can see, tomorrow, Wednesday, March 8th. We can see at my own time, around 2 p.m., I'll be expecting a major news on the USD. By 4 p.m., we'll also be expecting two major news. So basically, altogether, it's three major news. Like I tell you, USD itself will be massive. And when there's a massive movement on USD, then expect a massive movement on gold. You would not want to trade this gold wrongly, right? You would not want to lose. So that is why I'm saying become one of my Patreon subscribers. Once I get a better setup, I'm definitely going to share it with you the way I also share it with my subscribers. So the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section, and also the link to the playlist of trade we actually took. You will also see to the comment section. So become one of our subscribers to get this trade.